guys, so this is the day after I got my hair colored. Last night it was in 3 cornrows going down, and I just took him out today. It has also been almost a year. In next month it'll be a year since I big chop for like the 100th time. I've been natural for like 6 years, and I always cut my hair every year or every 2 years. So May of 2017 was the last time I cut my hair. So it's coming up in a year. I also wanted to do a quick length check. I'm not gonna straighten my hair. I'm never interested in straightening my hair. So, cause if you straighten your hair, I mean, I don't know about you, I stay in Florida, it's pretty humid. Like, I feel like as soon as I would walk out the house, it'll freeze up. And why do all this work if it's gonna just freeze right up? I mean, that's just me. And I'm wearing my husband's shirt, that's why it's so big on me. So this is the highlight. It's a lot brighter than it's showing, than it's picking up right now. Some parts have more highlight than others. I haven't noticed a significant change in my hair texture, to be honest with you, but I did notice like 2 or 3 pieces that were like a little bit straggly from the, I guess, from the bleach, and I'm gonna cut those pieces off, because I mean, they serve no purpose to me if the ends is damaged or anything like that. So I'm just gonna cut those pieces off. Other than that, you can see my hair is like pretty thick. Like, nothing has changed much. Yeah, I'm getting ready to do to put my hair in some twist. So I said, let me come on here and record it. This is a spray bottle. It just has water in it. So yes. And if I don't come on here to take down those twists, I should, but just in case I don't, I'll post some pictures so you can see how it turned out. And I'm going to be using my curl enhancing smoothie from Shea Moisture. Now my hair already has product in it, so I'm not going to put a whole lot of product in it. And I'm gonna do them about small, medium size. I haven't done a twist out in so long, to be honest with you, because I just don't be having time, and I just don't be feeling like it. So yeah, I'm gonna speed up this video because it's gonna be pretty boring to hear me ramble this entire video. So yeah. So this is the end result. I like it. I'm not mad at it at all. I'm gonna take a video outside so you can see the color and everything like that, because it's not doing it justice inside. I'm getting sick. That's why you hear my voice kind of sound a little grouchy. But yeah, I am not mad at it at all. And I'll take a picture outside and show you. Bye guys.